Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable sleep mode on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram sleep mode is designed to help users limit their activity on uh, the app, especially during curtain hours. This feature is usually activated through notification settings or usage time reminder so you don't receive notification during your downtime. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable this feature, but now what if you want to turn this feature off? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you just go to your profile. You can go to the upper right corner on the three lines over here. Scroll down and select on time management. And then here you can see your daily average usage. And there is an option sleep mode. Select on that. Here's, as you can see in here, my sleep mode says active. If you only want to change the start time and also the end time, you can just add it in here. But if you really want to disable this feature from your account, you can just tap on the toggle in there. So now you have disabled, you have turned off the sleep mode on your Instagram. Very simple, right? So that is how to disable sleep mode on Instagram. Thank you and see you.